Good morning, everybody. What up? We have CPI in 8 minutes. I'll change my chart. I'll change my screen in like 2 minutes to go so we can watch the SPY do a madness. All right. Good morning to those who have just joined. We are going to start in 6 minutes, right? We have CPI data in 6 minutes as well. So yeah, the market's going to be crazy in a minute. So I will change my chart in a bit so we can watch SPY. Also, guys, if you could do me a favor whilst we're waiting, just please post a question, post a ticket, and also like up the stream. All right, it goes a long way so we can get engaged, and it helps people because I know there's a lot of questions that people are scared or nervous to ask. So just ask them. I'm here to help. Anything that you struggle with, it would be great for you guys to post them. All right, so yes, I will get back to you guys in a couple of minutes. All right, what up, everybody? Just going to keep SPY up here. Going to keep SPY open. We have CPI data in exactly 2 minutes and 15 seconds. All right, CPI data month on month and year on year. And we also have Powell speaking in an hour and 30 minutes. And then Trump is speaking after, probably. So jam-packed day. Probably going to trade for an hour or two and call it a day, to be honest. I don't really want to be trading in a condition like this. It's just boring, like it was yesterday, extremely boring. And that's when you make a lot of mistakes as a trader, because especially myself, when I'm staring at a screen all day, right, you make silly decisions. So I'm going to start doing that moving forward as well, because it helps me a lot. Yeah, there's no need. There's no setups, really. There's rarely any. Just everything's just trading sideways. Very boring day, to be honest. So yeah, we'll see what happens though. We don't know yet. But for me, regardless of the news, it doesn't really matter. It's just anticipation at the moment. We have CPI data. I will get to everyone's questions. Please make sure you've posted a question in there. It goes a long, long way. It really helps, okay, to engage, and I can also get back to all your questions and tickers. It would be great. And then I will be going through Twitter. I've got a bunch of stuff I need to catch up there, and then I will get into the Discord questions, and then I'll get to you guys on Twitter. I mean on YouTube. All right. So let's see. We have 55 seconds. What is going to happen? Okay, so we have forecasted is 0.3 on month. Who thinks higher or lower? What do we think? I think that it's going to be lower. Lower. I think it's going to be 0.29 or 2.9. Let's see. Yeah, what is CPI data? Let me look on Twitter. We will see what the news is. CPI data is out. 10 seconds. Ooh, what's gonna happen? What is gonna happen? What is gonna happen? It's gonna be a madness. Oh, down goes the SPY. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. CPI data. And it is 2.9. What a guess. My name is Jerome Powell. Oh, wait. I could be wrong. Hold up. Hold up here. Hold up. What is it? 3.3, 3. Oh, it's higher. CPI data is expected. Let me see. Let me just get confirmation here. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so it's green. Lovely. Fantastic. Okay, so this is good news. SPY will reverse in a second. SPY will reverse in a second. I'm sure it will. All right, cool. Good result, though. Nice. Whoa, look at the SPY. See you later, alligator. Oosh. That nasty. That is nasty. Okay, let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. Let me get onto Twitter first. Just put my phone on charge so we have everything sorted out. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'll get to you guys on YouTube in a minute. Please make sure you're posting questions and tickets. I'll get to every single one of them. I will make sure I do. For now, let me get through all of this stuff. CPI, REKR, done that, and done that. Oh, I've already caught up. Oh, LYFT, let's see. LYFT, this is extremely bearish. I just wouldn't, nothing on this. Nothing on LYFT. So someone just asked me on Twitter about this. Nothing on this. I'm just not going to post something like this. It's going down. You should be able to see that. There's no reason to be looking at a trade like that. All right. So I don't want to get people creating FOMO and all that. XLO is up 100%. Very nice. What am I going to do on this situation? Nothing. If I had to take an entry, I would wait for not even a close above VWAP. I don't have confirmation. Enough confirmation there. Maybe above 149 break, you can look for an impulse entry. So if it breaks above that. So XLO, Impulse entry above 149. Impulse entry is very simple and easy to understand. Everybody please listen up, all right? Here's your candle. It's moving. As soon as it breaks that, it's an impulse. You're buying as soon as it breaks that high to go up. That's it. You're not waiting for the close above and all that. Impulse. Straight away. All right? Straight away, you are getting in. Let me have a look. Anything else we have here? CRNC. CRNC. What's happening here? CRNC. There's a lot of sub $1 plays, which are not good for me because I don't trade sub $1 plays. So yeah, I'm not really interested in the market when it's sub $1 stocks, but you know, there's always opportunity and there will always be runners over $1. I have like 2 or 3 of them, so we'll see what happens. Maybe an ascending triangle, not really a clean one, but it needs at least another touch here. Maybe 1, 2, at least another one. Possible ascending triangle. For me, it's not clear enough. I don't like this too much, but yeah, it's coming down big time. It needs to hold this. It's too strong of a downtrend for me right now. I mean, obviously this is coming down big time with buy moves and all that kind of stuff with the news. So tricky, tricky, tricky. What is going on with it? Right, let's have a look. Anyone on Twitter, Discord? All right, cool. Let me just have a look in the Discord and then we will get to you guys. All right, everybody, please make sure you're posting the questions. Get them in, get them in, get them in, get them in. I will be here helping you all out with that. All right. Okay, let's see. Right. Good morning. Happy hump day. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Let's have a great day. When you get time, CYN, please. CYN is here. It's down 5%. Nothing unless 0.18. Nothing on this, to be honest. Down 11%, 2%. Yes, there's news, but at the moment, there is no reason for an entry on this. So CYN, no entries unless 0.18 break. All right. So that is what it is. What else do we have? If we could get some analysis on BBI during the stream. Yep, BBI is right here. BBAI needs to hold $8. $8 is your psychological level. Personally, I would use this as a support here. 765-ish level. Do 775. I like that psych. So right now we have this support like this. It needs to hold this, but it needs a pullback as well. If we had a demand zone, it would be much better, but the next demand zone is all the way down here, which is a little too low for me. But yeah, it just needs to hold this. We can fix this out a bit, make it a little bit. Yes, I've gone through this wick here, but just so I can get 2 touches. It's not technically a falling wedge. Yeah, it's not that great of one because you want a proper price action, but I try and make my setups look as bullish as possible, to be honest. So we need to see if it holds 775 level, because if it breaks below this, then obviously it's no longer valid. Yes, I'm wondering Sin too. I'm in big problem with that stock. Please use a stop loss. If you're in a big problem, cut it and move on. That's the best way to do it. What up? Buen dia, my friend. Have a profitable day. Yes, let's go. Envis still bullish. Let's have a look. Yeah, just about. Like, as long as it holds this demand zone and this, you're fine. This pennant. You can even put it up here like this, get more touches like that. So it needs to hold, to be honest, needs to hold. But in my opinion, this week, it's going to be hard to swing trade in that. We have PPI tomorrow, then we have more news on Friday. So jam-packed week, price action is going to be all over the place. If I was to take any swings, I would start next week. But if the market was great and there was no news coming, then yeah, I would definitely like this setup. Looks great. SMCI, what's happening with SMCI? SMCI is bullish. Filled that 4-hour gap. Your next levels, let me just give you some levels. 45. 45 is your main level, so let's put this in. I'm going to just put this in yellow so you can see it's a big level, right? $45. Sorry, let's just put in blue, psychological level. So 45, 48.50. I'll put this on Twitter so you can follow it. And $52. These are levels I have. Why is it registered? All right, let's see. Is SPY bouncing or now? SMCI key levels. Yeah, so 45 is the big level for you on that. Big level on that. Totes, what up, Totes? XLO. XLO, I would take an impulse entry only above 149. If it doesn't get over 149, I just wouldn't touch it. All right, as I mentioned at the start of the stream. Good morning. Would it be possible to give fun? PHUN, what's happening with PHUN? PHUN is here. Let me just retweet this link. Guys, this is the only Discord link. There is only one Discord link. There is no WhatsApp. There's no Telegram. I will not ask you for copy trading. I won't give you money. You don't need to give me money. I don't need any of that stuff. If you want to join the Discord, it is there. The link is there. It's pinned in my tweet. It's under the bio here. It's all over. You can see where it is. It's a WAP link. Click on that. You paid 1 month, 3 months, and from there, claim Discord access, and that's how you get all the alerts, education, all that stuff. All right, so there are limited spots. There are no promos, no discounts, none of that trash. All right. Okay, so fun is bearish. It's broken below support here. So right now it's bearish. I just would not touch this at all. No volume, nothing on this. I don't like the company either. So yeah, that's just my personal opinion at the moment. Yeah, just bearish. Strong bearish trend. Currently bearish. Unfortunately, so I hope it goes though if you are in it and reverses at some point, but right now there is no sign of a reversal as it is still in a downtrend. SOUN, it's coming down to support, heading down to support, heading to support. SOUN is coming down like probably the rest of the market. How's SPY looking? Ooh, SPY's pushing down further. Bloodbath. Good morning. What's your thoughts on Note? Note stopped me out yesterday and ran, which was annoying, but you know what? It is what it is. I made money on SOPA. Yeah, everything's coming down. You can see that after the CPI data. Note. I'm expecting a breakout if this holds 175. Overall trend is bullish. It's an ascending triangle, which is a continuation pattern, bullish continuation pattern like this. Hopefully we go up. That's my expectation. MVST, MVST, no, not MVST. MVST, nothing on this. Yeah, nothing on this, unfortunately. Too much choppiness going on. Or maybe you could say maybe a retest here. 173 we have here, so put this in purple or orange now, support. So 173 is now your support level like this, and then maybe it's retesting this to continue to go up since it broke strong move yesterday to the upside. So break above, retest, maybe up. So this can be your prediction or my prediction for MVST. MVST break and retest prediction. Let's see what happens. Right, totes BHAT. What's that mean, BHAT? Guys, I don't trade BHAT. I'm not in it. Because I post my prediction, because I post the chart, it doesn't mean I'm in it. I'll just be honest with you guys, and I'll be very, very honest. 99.999% of the stocks that I post on Twitter, I am not in any of them in the Discord. All right? We trade the highest probability setups, and that is what I focus on in the Discord. However, if it's already ran and hit our first target and all those great things, then I will put it on Twitter. But I just focus on my setups and I don't want them to get manipulated whether they do or don't. Okay, funnily enough, sometimes they do, right? And I just do avoid posting them on Twitter when I'm in the trade because I don't want my members losing. And we are trading off pure price action, so it can easily get manipulated. And especially with these sub $1 stocks, these small pennies, they do move pretty quick. So yeah. This is my prediction. If it needs to hold 7 cents to continue to go to the upside, please make sure you have a stop loss. Have to have a stop loss on this trade. If you don't, or on every single trade, you have stop loss. Lays, there's no entry unless 445. You are only entering above 445. So Lays, you are only entering above 445. If it's at 444, you do not take the trade. Why? Because it's not above. LYFT. Right, lots of questions, guys. Just bear with me, all right? This is great to see all the questions. There's a lot. LYFT, there's nothing on this. Nothing. Strong bearish trend. If you're doing anything, I don't know. Nothing on this, unfortunately. MGOL. MGOL is bearish. If you're looking for an entry, it's only above 7.6. Just look at this clearly at the chart. If you were looked at this, right, and you showed it to someone who has no idea about charts, are they going to tell you to buy the stock? Probably not. Why? Because it's in a downtrend. It's easy as that. You need it to break above a resistance. This is your clear resistance, 0.76. You're above that, you're fine. Clean range to the upside. Nothing now. Cut it, lose it, move on. MVIS, I went over MVIS already. VRME. VRME, no volume, bearish. Nothing on VRME. ERNA. Another one, strong bearish trend, downtrend, nothing. Here, look. Just going to be blatantly honest with you guys, right? These are not setups I look at all. Nothing. Right, low volume and downtrend, and especially when it's coming down like this pretty quick, then yeah, definitely not something that I watch. NKGN. Everybody, let's see. Hold up here. How many likes we got on the stream? Right, we got 36 likes. Until we get to at least 70, 80 likes, I will continue. All right, so like up the stream. And when we get to around 60, 70, 80 likes, then we will continue. Okay, I'm just going to be on mute for a bit, helping a Discord member out. And I'll be back in a minute. So like up the stream, get to 60, 70, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, let's see how many likes we got here. We got 56. Come on, guys. Still need another 15, 20 here. Come on. Push it. It's easy to do it. It's the least you guys can do. We have 130, 40 people in here. You can simply just like the button. Like it up. Make sure you're liking the stream, not liking the emoji here. You guys need to click on the stream and like it. Next to the like and share and save. Underneath the picture, not by the chat. Not in the chat. Not the chat. Do not like the chat. You must like the post. Come on, guys. You can do it. Figure it out. There we go. 10 people figured it out. Come on. Push the gas. KDLY. Let's have a look. KDLY. I'd wait for 215. I'm going to definitely be watching this today because this is over $1 and something that I can actually trade, which looks alright, to be honest. Yeah, KDLI, wait for 215. I already posted that one. Good morning. Nice. Sin, banked a couple times. CYN's down. BHAT, AIFF. Yeah, AIFF, I definitely won't be touching this at all. But yeah, downtrend break looks good. Above VWAP. Yeah, it looks good. Just needs to break above this downtrend, but it looks very nice. Reverse right off this demand zone over here. Demand zone was this. Looks great. So we have this demand zone, and then we can see. What do we think? Is it going to reverse off this? I think it will. Strong volume, kind of the only play that's moving right now that I've looked through. So yeah, looks good. This is AIFF. AIFF. Expecting crazy moves again today. But right now, volume is there, should break above. CYN. Guys, I've done CYN. Everybody please look at CYN. Everybody take a screenshot. Send it to your girlfriend, boyfriend, dog, cat, goldfish, mouse, chameleon. You are not entering this unless it closes above 0.18. If you enter at 0.1799, you have failed the task and you will fail as a trader. It's simple instructions, right? Just like someone will tell you to do something and you follow the instructions. It's exactly the same as this. Most people fail as a trader because they don't follow the instructions. The instruction is close above 0.18 is you are taking the trade. If you are in the trade now, you should not be in the trade. Simple as that. BBAI is right here. It needs to hold 775, which it is. Looks great, cool. Let's see if it can reverse and push to the upside. Hopefully it breaks out. According to this technicals, it should break out, but it's not that clean of a falling wedge. It needs proper price action, but we will see. We will see. Right, NXU. NXU is here, 60% up. NXU, I would wait for 0.5690 to take an impulse buy. Impulse buy means if this is my candle right now, it is moving. As soon as it breaks that, you are taking an impulse buy for it to go up. That's it. Please make sure to have a stop loss and a target always. Good morning. What up, Chuck? I trade on my phone. Living the dream. Living the dream. KDLY, it's 215, I think. Yeah, 215. You can wait. MVSTN notes. I've already done that. Please go back to the charts. I've done it and I've done your request already. So if you missed it, scroll back. EPA needs to hold this one pretty much broken below here now. It's broken this low as well. Yeah, it doesn't look great. Doesn't look great. I removed this one off my watch list as well. Doesn't look great at all. So if you're down more than 7%, I would simply just cut it and move on. I don't know how to set up a stop loss. I think I made a wrong account set up for Webull. Well, or Robinhood. Nope, you did not. You cannot use a stop loss during pre-market, and all you have to do is click on sell stop. That's it. All right. That's it. So you cannot use a stop loss during pre-market. It will not work. But if you're using Robinhood, you definitely need to change to Webull and use a cash account if you're under 25K. Highly recommend it. It's probably the best thing you can do for your trading. So I would say switch over to Webull. Somebody can give you their link and you can get some free shares as well. OMGO, don't have that stock. Monday is a holiday also. Yes, thank God. I'm going to take off about 3 months off because my man Hassie's living a dream in Bahamas right now. KDLY broke over VWAP. Yeah, I mean, it needs to close here. Need a green. Yeah, it's not that strong of a candle. I need some volume on that. VRME. VRME. What is going on here? Nothing on VRME. Extremely bearish. Look at the trend. It's down, 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 down. No good, no good, no good. Neo. What's happening with Neo? Neo is ranging nothing unless breaks above 447. If you get a break above 447, I suggest taking the trade. Netflix, what's happening? Netflix has broken support. Where is Netflix heading to? We can use, no, we cannot use this. Oh, we could maybe use something like that. Maybe this trend line. I know it's not that clear. I've gone through a wick, but it is what it is. Yeah, maybe pull back to this. Good buys. So we'll put this yellow like this, and then we'll get another one. We'll get another one, then we get another one. So you see this? Here is one. Then we have another one right here set up. All right. So these, maybe this good buy opportunity here around this level. Netflix. How do you spell it? Netflix. Play the trend. All right. Guys, I am still getting to everybody's questions. There are a bunch of questions, so just bear with me. I would really appreciate if people are asking questions rather than posting tickers all the time because it does get very boring. So ask questions, guys. I'm sure everybody struggles with something in trading or have advice or need some confirmation on something or whatever. I'm here to help you. So ask those questions. It's a lot more insightful than me just telling you what's going to happen with the stock. VRAX is bearish. Nothing on this. Down 5% this morning. You sound like Eddie Redmayne. No idea who that is. What are your top 2 plays today? Like, I don't have top 2 plays. I just have all these here. Blue and orange. Blue over $1, orange under $1. I'll wait until open. Let's see what happens. Tesla. Tesla is a bloodbath. Nothing on Tesla. Strong bearish trend. Even adjusted like this. Doesn't look pretty. Mr. Elon, too busy with DT than his company. KDLY, you're not taking any entries unless it closes above 215. All right. 215 and you can take the trade. 215. Tiger, can you give me range on prop? 875. Yes, correct. Yes, Fig, correct. Guys, one tick at a time. If you're posting all that, I'm not going to use it. How do you have a stop loss pre-market? I don't. It's just a mental stop loss. I cut my loss at 7%. YouTube stream starting to pop now. Yeah, it's good. I mean, we used to get a lot. It's just cycle of market. When market's quiet, people just don't like to trade and get off Twitter and stuff. Bitcoin diving, lovely. Give me the dip. Give me the dip. Get me under 90k. I'm loading the boat. I know, I feel like the stream is delayed. Yes, it's delayed by 5 seconds. Right? Yeah, it's only 5-second delay. Lamo spamming. Yeah, I know. How many likes did we get? 90 likes. Fantastic. Congratulations to everyone who liked it up. Appreciate it. NKGN. What's happening here? NKGN is nothing. Wait for an entry above 0.69. I would not take anything below. Thumbs up. I pressed it like 80 times at least. Yes, Abby. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. XLO, ascending triangle, trying to break out. Where's XLO? Yeah, 149, you can take an entry. If this breaks 149, I would take an entry on XLO. It's an ascending triangle, which someone mentioned. Well, it's not really an ascending triangle because you've come from a bearish trend. If this came from a bullish trend there, instead of this sell-off, then yeah, but... Let's see. Ascending triangle. Push the gas. 149, you guys to take the trade. Make sure to have a stop loss and a target in mind before you even take this trade. NEUP, what's happening with this? NEUP, nothing on this, unfortunately. Yeah, weird price action. Not really a fan. I would tell you to avoid something like this. If you wanted to take a trade, difficult on this, to be honest. Maybe like here, 582. Sorry, here, this one. 584. What is this place called? NEUP, wait for 584 break. Is this cool? You guys got this one? Not really my kind of setup, to be honest, but yeah, it is what it is. When's the Weebles? I need to do it. Maybe this weekend, but I'm very, very busy this weekend. Monday. No, I can't do Monday. I'll try and do it next week sometime. You guys. If not, it'll be the week after. I'm very busy in Discord. We have over like 700-800 members, and it's only myself in there, and I get about 1 million questions, tickers, questions, requests, DMs, live trading alerts at the same time with one person is a lot. And I'm giving you guys stuff on Twitter. I do a lot of stuff, right? Very, very busy. So pretty much on from pre-market open, and then I literally trade for like 3 hours after open, and then I go to bed. So yeah, I have a really long day, to be honest with you. Full on. I don't really break. Only time I break is when I have lunch. Then I have dinner for like 20 minutes. But yeah, I'm very busy. Just wait for downtrend break on this. GRR. GRR, low volume. Maybe if it comes down into this demand zone, it's a good buy around $18.50, $18. Lays, I went over lays already. Lays. Yeah, lays, nothing. It's coming down. No entries unless 445. If it breaks above 445, you can take the trade. All right. Gonna go over these last few questions, and then here, guys. This is the only link. This is the link here. Discord people. If you want to join the Discord, this is the link right there. NEUP. What's happening? Yeah, it's 584. I've done that already. Friday should be answering. Yeah, I know. I'm not probably won't trade Friday. Well, I don't trade Fridays. I can't. I'm busy. APTO, nothing unless 331, 0.331 or 3131. 1 minute and 30-minute break trend line. I don't know. I don't think you need to look into that much, to be honest. Nothing really going on. LFWD. LFWD. Not my kind of setup. I mean, overall trend you could say is bullish. Like this. Yeah, trend looks good. Trend is nice. I would take it if it breaks this high here. What is this high? If it breaks this high here, 224. What is this? Yeah, LFWD, wait for 224 break to enter. All right. Thank you, no worries. On NXU, why wait for 0.6 high day, new high of day for entry rather than close above VWAP on NXU? Where's NXU? Over here. Blind. The main reason is because if VWAP is right here, okay, you have resistance right here, and then you have resistance right here, right around here, and then you have this around here. So for me, the way I think of it is simply this. If you take the trade now, you can try and take it. You have resistance here in the way. But if you break above 0.56 with volume, there's a high probability this thing will go crazy to the upside. Here, you're trying to scalp a quick move and hopefully you catch the bottom and it's going to reverse to go up. Yes, possibly, but for me, the way I think is that I want to make it easy for myself when my motions, when I'm taking the trade. I don't want to take this trade now thinking, oh, it might reject here, 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 and whatever. I know if it closes above here, it's probably going to go up. That's just how I think and what I'm trying to do. Best place to educate yourself on chart reading patterns. The best thing I would do is simply just look at what you need to do in terms of focusing only on bullish chart patterns, right? You don't need to know all of them. I don't know all of them. There's only a handful that you really need to know. But there's cheat sheets and stuff you can go over. But at the end of the day, I would just focus on 2 or 3 and just master that. I only mastered one of them, which is the falling wedge. And I guess the bullish pennant as well, but I don't know double bottom too much, and all these other ones, ascending triangle, don't use them very much, but I know what they are. APLD, this is Bitcoin, so it's coming down. APLD, nothing on this. There's no best entry on this. Best entry is in the demand zone. Here, $6. What are my top 2? I don't have top 2, bro. I don't have a top 2. I never have a top 2, top 3, top 4, none of that. I have all of these plays. Out of all these plays into open, I'll break it down and see which ones give me the best setup, and then from there I'll look for my trades. But I don't rank my trades, unfortunately. I want to join 8 to 5 job. Do you think it's feasible? In my opinion, if you're there just for the alerts, then probably not. But if you're there to learn and you want to understand my strategies and how I trade, then the Discord is for you. You put in the time, it's there. So it depends what your approach is. If you have a full-time job and you're not able to study and spend hours doing it, right, then yes, I would say it's not for you, right, which it is for most people. It's difficult. But in my opinion, right, I would say the best thing to do is try it out for a month and see if you like it. Because the thing is, right, I break my strategy down as simple as you can. I give you the basics first, support and resistance, how to read candles, all this kind of stuff, building your way up to learn the strategy, and then you can trade from there. It takes time. You need to do it properly and correctly, but you don't have to be in the Discord. It's up to you. But if you want to be part of a community where you can learn and all those things, that's great. But yeah, if you want the alerts, it will be difficult, I guess, if you're doing 8 to 5 or if you have a full-time job. But I don't know what half my Discord members do. I don't think they work and they just trade, to be honest. So it's a little bit difficult to give you what to do. But yeah, I mean, I always tell people we have a very good retention rate, meaning people stay in the Discord when they join. My goal is to teach people how to trade, right? I don't care about the alerts. I really don't like giving alerts because it doesn't really mean anything, because most times people miss it and it's too fast, or they either don't get in because they're busy, or they do get in, which is fantastic, right? But at the end of the day, you need to learn how to trade, right? You can take as many alerts and stuff you want. You might only take the losing ones, you might only take the winning ones, but at the end of the day, you still don't know what you're doing, right? And that's not really what I like to teach. Thank you, NXU. NXU needs to go. Well, NXU is bullish pennant, so yeah. Let's have a look. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go through these last questions, then I'm finito. But yes, if you're full time and you don't have time, okay, in my opinion, still think that you are able to do it, because if you're willing to put in the work, right, you're joining this for a reason. You want to be able to make money and learn the skill, I'm assuming, and the strategy is in there. It just takes time to practice it, right? How long you'll be profitable, it just depends. I can't give you a time frame, but if you're willing to put in the work, the quicker you'll become profitable. That's my honest opinion. But if you're just gonna half-ass it, then it's a waste of time, in my opinion. That's why when Discord members leave, if they complain or whatever, we never get people to complain, but if they don't, whatever, don't put in the work, I just simply kind of just ignore them and focus on people who actually want to try, because it just wastes my own time. OMGI. Okay, right, these are the last ones here. I don't know, I expect it to go up. It needs to hold 0.2 though. That's it. If you want to join Discord, made makes uses not to, you'll make money and become, yes. Nope, the best education without being in the Discord is to watch us maybe. Yes, I correct, Sarah, you're correct with that. It's just like watching the same thing, because you'll see, I do the same thing over and over again. Literally, I do the same thing over and over again every day. People see that. I don't chop and change because the market's terrible, because someone said something, because of this, because someone posted on Twitter. I don't interact with anyone on Twitter. The only one I do is Hassie. That's it. I don't care about what people are doing. I'm doing my own thing, teaching people the same thing over and over again. You guys see these YouTube, a lot of you guys join in every day, and I appreciate that. And I know a lot of people are learning because I do the same thing. I don't change my strategy. I'm trying to educate you and make it as easy as possible for you guys. All right. How would we know that? Being over a month, all the education is worth it. The alerts are consistent 60-80%. Not 100%. Kindly breaking out. Okay, usually Tiger says one that looks really good. Love they usually work. Yeah, I mean, it's just, you get that feeling, you know. All right, guys, thank you for joining. Great turnout to everybody who joined. Well done, pat on the back. I appreciate everyone who joined. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you all tomorrow. All right. I don't know if I will be able to trade tomorrow. I have a couple things I need to sort out tomorrow, so I don't even know if I'll be here pre-market, but I will do my best if I can. If not, I will see you guys at market open tomorrow, right? Discord members, live trade link will be sent out in 20 minutes. See you guys. Thank you again. Appreciate it. Peace.